Imagine this. You are forced to work for no pay, under harsh conditions with little to no regard for your basic human rights. Sounds like a form of slavery, doesn't it? This is the reality for a group of current and former Alabama prisoners who have filed a lawsuit alleging that the state's prison labor practices amount to a modern-day form of slavery. This story begins in late 2023, when the lawsuit was filed against the state of Alabama. The plaintiffs, all of whom are black, claim that incarcerated individuals are forced to work for the benefit of government entities and private businesses for little or no pay. The economic benefit of prison labor in Alabama in that year alone was over $450 million. The defendants in this case include Alabama Governor Kay Ivey, Attorney General Steve Marshall, leaders from the state's Department of Corrections and Transportation, and private employers such as McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, and Kentucky Fried Chicken. The lawsuit accuses these parties of violating the First Amendment, the Trafficking Victims Protection Act, and Alabama's state constitution, which was amended to ban all forms of slavery and involuntary servitude. The plaintiffs allege that they face punishment, including solitary confinement and food deprivation, if they refuse to work. Parole, they claim, is unjustifiably denied to prisoners, particularly black individuals, creating an incentive to keep them in prison. They argue that the current system resembles the convict leasing system of the post-Civil War era. The lawsuit seeks to abolish the captive labor source and award damages to current and past prisoners. It argues that the system violates the 14th Amendment and a recent amendment to Alabama's state constitution. Similar lawsuits have been filed in other states, including Colorado. The Alabama lawsuit, however, stands out due to its comprehensive challenge to the state's prison labor system. It highlights the issue of cheap prison labor allowing prisons to avoid paying minimum wage and masks the true cost of incarceration. In conclusion, the lawsuit filed by the Alabama prisoners is a significant challenge to the state's prison labor system. It raises serious questions about the treatment of incarcerated individuals and the ethics of prison labor. This case serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle for human rights and justice in the prison system, not just in Alabama, but across the United States.